where are we?
We are somewhere.
I will talk of sanitation we do tomorrow.
Sanitation tomorrow.
Yes, yes. For some time now, some people have been dirtying the state.
My street, some people gather go dig out the mud, then wait for the road, wait for the gutter.
Okay.
As they dig the mud then gather their content and say, when they fire, they pack and come because these days we don't know where rain they fall, when Hamatan they fall, and all that. So waiting. Okay. Now we don't know when Hamatan they fall, where rain they fall. So make the water no carry the thing, enter back inside the gutter. So we need people no need to wait until when government no get time to come begin dig everybody gutter. Yes, government can dig the major gutter there. But we, the human beings, they suffered the flooding and the problem. Make we come out, come take our own hand, dig our own gutter there. Come out the poto that we don't enter, don't fool the gutter. If every individual compound, except for those who don't get gutter for their front, where maybe they never do gutter reach their side. If every individual will get gutter, every compound come out, dig out that poto, find a way, carry them, go find where they go dump them, where then they throw away all those poto. No be where they throw away dirty. Dirty, we don't beg tires, they stop to put dirty for middle of road, but the people have refused. So when they don't beg for something, beg, the person no agree again. What do? You leave her. You begin find out to take manager. Either you arrest the people or they dump the dirty there. If you don't fit arrest them, you don't get choice. You have given up on them. So in those days when sanitation start, would they get tipper and Caterpillar? Companies they donate. Those companies don't donate. In government they go pay Caterpillar and tipper. Then they go from street to street. They pack those things where people don't bring out from their gutters. They pack those things where people don't bring out from their what do they call them? The places where they bring out the dirty. But that has stopped a long time ago. That one they make them hard for people where don't come out, can't dig their gutter. Put for road. Nobody to come evacuate them. Digging for out of the gutter is one thing. How to carry come up from there, go where you know go fall back into the gutter. Another thing. So what happened? Qu'est-ce que c'est according to Kunle? If you hear me.
Qu'est-ce que c'est waiting don't happen?
In your area, how are you doing?
For my own side, we get gutter. We don't get it. But one thing when I know, that when I did Umaya, I know say that time. Then
Umaya?
Yeah, Umaya not. Abia State.
What you go find there?
Waka carry me go. So I can't do there small. That period there, those people, first of all, congratulations, they got a very neat. You know, they see anything. And all the shop, house, everybody make sure they clear their gutter. I mean, say, I can't wonder. I can't say they get people when they arrest people, they can't check gutter. Boys, just can't look your gutter.
They call them wole. You know what I mean, wole? Look everywhere. The days, in those days where we small, you could just see people who go wear white. They don't go talk to you. They will just enter your compound, go the backyard. They walk around everywhere. Once they see, say the compound dirty or anywhere dirty, they don't give you paper. They don't give you tickets.
When we small as sanitation people they do. They wear uniform. This
they call it wole.
No, our own
wole na look house.
They wear brown trouser, white top, and blue rank. Official people.
What do you call it?
Sanitation people. No be environmental sanitation authority, no be Riwama. No. This one now like all those school of nursing people.
Exactly.
Okay.
All those school of nursing kind of uniform.
School of health, something.
School of health them.
They check all those things.
They come check backyard. Check yard, they enter inside. If they come, if you see race.
Like those people when they go check for restaurant, when they enter, go check your kitchen, where you cook.
Once you join them, they usually come on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Once you see wole from the beginning of the street, if you see parking,
they park your
if you see parking before they reach your house.
Say our own, if they come and want to do eye service, they go still catch you. You better park before they come. Those people they also go to slaughters.
Yes, those days. Yes,
they get one chemical they hold. If they go slaughter, you know some meat where they kill, where die. The meat die before they go butcher. The meat they get some signs for body, some swell up them and all those things. Then they check the intestine. Goat wey sick before him die, or nama, cow wey sick before him die. They get some things where those health workers
People put on top.
no, they see. For instance, all those when they look the meat waiting for table, where this slaughter people want sell, they know the one will die before they kill them. They know the one where they kill. So once they see that one will die before when I cut the slaughter people cut his neck, if they want chemical, they will just pour for one part of the meat. The whole meat go red, go get the color. Nobody go ever buy it. And as you get the color, if you touch it, it is bitter. That is that chemical they condemn.
Spoil the meat. Don't condemn it for you.
It just be like bile. You know bile.
Yeah,
bile for fowl. That green tea.
Okay,
when they do towards the
close to liver.
It's called liver. Now that bile, you know, say if you kill fowl,
you have to be careful.
Be careful.
When we reach that side, when we no get experience, we go mistakenly go spoil, go wound the bile. As the bile pour, the entire meat,
the entire fowl don't spoil.
Bitter.
The entire fowl.
We can't be one that's
is a fowl.
No be
that fowl is tasty.
No be just bile. So we go wash and come out. That bile is a very dangerous chemical. So
you know there for human being, I think.
I know good
Again.
Oh, we get bile for our body too.
That one I don't know.
They say that's it. I don't know that.
I don't know.
They follow for detoxification and all those things.
I think the animal.
So I don't know. But animal.
I'm a political animal. Every man is a political.
I don't follow. I'm not any animal.
You are an educational animal. You must be an animal one way or the other. Either a spiritual animal, physical animal.
Ozum saying are health inspectors and they call them. Those people, what happened to them? How did they disappear?
Everywhere
how did they behave like all this VIO? VIO, where they stand for row with white trouser, black trouser and white shirt. old men entered that group. No young man they VIO.
I don't understand what to wear.
Who tell you? Then they look you from and they use your mouth to judge you from far.
They don't get experience.
Those people. You know, say those days when we small. But why they know they do that thing again, Michael? When we small, my father go say, you know if he drive a motor today because now input number, I mean something number.
Yeah, they do that thing. Odd number.
Because that time when we go to say, we don't go, they say no, today he go use him bike. My father get motorcycle and he get B2.
That was control.
Oh boy. You know, say that time, motor never plenty. But there was control.
No. What did not plenty that time now? Roads. So the road that we try good.
We did that time. Was Third Mainland Bridge.
We don't want hold up anyhow for the road. Lagos. Not be Lagos.
Yeah, Lagos.
You know, say Lagos was the capital of Nigeria
at the point.
Yeah. So at that time, so we not go expect what happened there to happen other places.
Okay.
Because Lagos get few roads and they are international hold up known. They have a reputation for hold up.
That time.
To the extent that me, Michael Ogolo, if I go Lagos, as the plane around they look around. Don't they see that
your mind they cut.
My mind they cut for the hold up. As the plane they cut now, you're gonna see hold up.
Yeah, no paya. You see you see
you're gonna see hold up. One of our friends will go Lagos. Say he never feel come out for house since 2 days. Say because that when he step out, he go see hold up. He
will come back.
I say, oh, so Lagos different. Control of even number and odd number now. The way we say motor no go too, everybody no go come out for road
at the
one
same
day.
time.
But now roads don't plenty. Yeah. Roads have plenty inside there.
No, Fashola even do plenty.
Fashola even at that. No, let's not go there. No, leave Lagos. Let's talk about Port Harcourt here. Let's talk of Aba. Okay. Aba, that Port Harcourt road for Aba is the most
useless.
No. That road should have an award, a Guinness Book of Record award.
The way I say I'm Guinness small, it should be Gulda Book of Record, because if you look at according to bottle, Gulda big pass stout.
So now, as a matter of fact, Aba is, I hear that governor have given free hand. Well, here and over this shore. Say he give free hands. Say go and make money anyhow and bring. So now the boys they collect tax. Now the boys they do. You know why they call tax collectors sinners for Bible those days? You know why? Since why they read Bible, they say tax collectors they be sinners. say I'm not a sinner like this task.
Which day you say?
And all that. Now you say, now I see the research.
I imagine.
I do the research. You
want to press me today.
But I don't know. And now I have, if you make me vex.
No. Go ahead. No try with them.
Those days tax collectors, no be to that Aburo work start to. Aburo work have been recorded right from Bible times. At the time we said nothing will dey this world today.
We know day before.
We know day by
Nothing.
Everything.
Nothing.
Even King Solomon say nothing is new under the sun.
Yes.
So that gra wey you dey do, say nobody don do am before.
There is no possible.
Na lie.
Nothing new.
Nothing new under the sun.
Nothing.
Do you know that in the Bible times, Roman people na dey rule that time when Israelites been there. Caesar Augustus. My friend named Augustus. I don't know where I get that name from. And I know say it was a Caesar. We command all people to go and register.
Yes,
Census.
Census and INEC.
And census started from Caesar Augustus. It's in the Bible. In our BC. Before our common era.
I'm telling you.
So now that the carry Jesus go register for Bethlehem. You know for Galilee they for born. And you know for correct because Bible says that Bethlehem they go born. So it must happen the way God talk.
Yes.
So now, and you know say Mary belly don't big. You know reach to take travel. They need travel that belly, but because God's word must come to pass, Mary enter donkey. And those days, now women enter donkey, men they take for granted, they take like they drop. Not be today, men don't they boom, I mean suffer for women. You know the Bible. You go see man go buy better motor. He get one mumu motor, he get one good one, carry the good one, give the wife. Carry the mumu one, he man mechanic every day. And if the wife don't drive the motor reach 1 pound, one thing quench.
She will call you.
She will call you honey. I don't know what happened to this car. The car just stopped at Orazi Big Tree. And your house there for Rumukurushi. Idiot. You go leave your house there. You go leave your house there as a man. You know, because I say, come mechanic repair and I carry the motor.
I'm coming.
I'm
on my way.
I'm on my way. Not be today. It happened. Mary climb donkey. Joseph take leg. If you see the distance, they take the control the donkey.
Wait to from Galilee to Nazareth. No be small distance.
From Nazareth to Bethlehem. Now small something. Now that is one. Two. What was I saying? Tax collectors. My brother. Now, so all those rulers give some people power, say, be collecting tax in Israel. Now, Israel is the first for us people to collect the tax. Say, why are you collecting tax from us? If you are our fellow brother. The people go say, pay your tax on our hustle. Even Jesus Christ say, give Caesar unto Caesar. Now, what makes the tax collectors sinner? They say, then they add their own money on the tax.
Oh, we are my work now.
For instance,
workshop team.
For instance, only if they look at they produce 10 bags of corn. They're supposed to collect tax for 1 bag, 10%.
Okay.
They will tell you no, that 10% they go to Caesar Augustus. Give add another 5% there. Me when they do the work and not just something.
Okay, or else.
Or else.
Your tax no go.
Your tax no go. We will collect all the 10 bags. So that was why they were doing that constantly. So you see this thing of topping money for tax. My brother,
don't take.
no be a starter. No be father starter. No be Rumola boy starter. It have started in the Bible. No got a Bible play. Now, that is why they call them sinners, because they do against their people. And but that is how they survive. And they get table.
Yes.
So it's all these MOT boys. When they go so catch motor, collect money, no be today start. You don't pay. They must, so far as they find something, they give the authorities.
There is authority.
They will operate in the name of the authorities. So now, what the guys go to the tax side now?
Okay.
Some of the guys come tax collectors.
Not be the head of
Nah, you say the road. Collect.
Oh, which road?
Gota.
Okay, for road. Abia Road.
No, Abia Road.
Willy, Abba. You say their governor.
Abba, yes. The governor gave them freedom. Abba person they collect tax now. And about tax collectors, they know they fight you as you come out from the bus. They collect 1 leg of your shoe.
Yes.
Leave 1 leg for you. They know they collect the 2 legs. So. They will just gather you. Hey, hold on. They don't collect one leg of your shoe.
Finish.
As they collect one leg, leave you. You don't feel the waka. One leg shoe. One leg no shoe.
Psychiatric will carry go.
So you go say,
we don't buy slippers keep for shop.
they go say, where your rate? They call a rate.
Okay, they on a rate.
No be tax. Water rate. Land rate. Rent is rate. Where your rate? So when you're going to back, wind up your motor. Lock every door. No talk to anybody.